Alright, YouTube, this is going to be episode 5 of the Alunar M508 3D printer build. Right now we're hooking up the electronics. I just hooked up the X motor. Tells you right here on the board, like X, Y. I can't really see the green one. There's two green ones. Oh, those are the Z. So I gotta figure out which ones are those. And that's the extruder motor. Alright. And the blue plug. This motor right here. Blue plug. Z-axis motor. Z-axis motor right. That's gonna go in the first green plug. Just like that. And then obviously, that's extruder motor. Left, right? Yep, that's left. Just like that. And then we'll plug our extruder motor right down here. Alright. I'm wondering if I'm able to bunch these up and zip tie these together. You know, or I should probably leave them. Oh man, my heater bit is breaking out. Alright, now all I gotta do now is just watch some more videos. It's gonna, right, our X and stuff. Oh no, I got Z plugged in the X. Z goes here. Well, obviously this ain't really the Z end stop because it's coming from here. It needs to go to the X end stop. So, in the video, he's now grabbing the Y. Y goes in the blue one. Alright, so we know Y goes in the blue one. Oh no, he goes for that and stop. Which is this. Alright, I thought I had my wires mixed up. I was getting confused. This right here, that's our X end stop. Our X is gonna go here. Just like that. Now I'll go ahead and get the rest of the end stops plugged in. Here's our Z end stop. And then goes for that one. And then our Y end stop we just had in our hand. Y end stop. And then goes in the blue one. Alright, we're getting connected. Alright, so for the hotbed, the thermostat for the hotbed goes in this first white plug up here on the top. That's where we're gonna put the hotbed thermostat. And then our extruder thermostat wire is going to go in this bottom plug right here. Alright, so the cooling fan, this fan right here, goes right here is what he's saying in the video. It says fan number 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug fan number 1 in here. Sure those cables for that heater is in there. And then turbo fan, which I think is that fan. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna plug that up right here. What's wrong?
Something wrong with my ring.
Yep. See, now he's saying that regular fan. So turbo fan, that's our turbo fan, and then that's the regular parts fan. So turbo fan goes here, and then regular cooling fan goes there. Now, he's going with this first LED core, XP1. Now, where's XP1 gonna go? XP2 goes there, so they cross. All right, let's find XP1, which is this cable, this cable. I can't tell which one's XP1 because XP1. Alright, XP1 is on top. So this is XP1 right here. So now we want to route XP1. Expansion port 1. Now I gotta do a little twist on it. There we go. We're gonna put expansion port 1 into the right port. And then expansion port 2 goes over here in this left port. Let me move this sticker real quick. Alright, we got those plugged in. All the wires are plugged in. Everything's plugged into the board. I think that's a reset button. I'm not even gonna touch that. I just gotta clean up all these wires. Bundled them up, made sure that they weren't pulling. I had to redo that hot wire and the negative wire. I'm thinking about redoing these wires on the heater because it's kind of like pulling on them. I don't know, or maybe that's fine like that. Oh yes, you gotta put this cover on, add 2 nuts in there and throw our screws in there. The cover just kind of like holds the wires back. But this might be the finishing aesthetic piece. So without further ado, let's get 2 screws in here. We are almost done. A week of building a 3D printer. Very fun. Very fun build. I wouldn't mind doing it again if somebody wanted one built. Alright, we got that one started. And this is the main thing I was afraid of, was wiring up the board and wiring up the power supply. That was the only reason why I didn't want to get a kit built 3D printer. But now that I've done it, I feel like a new man. I feel like I can conquer some stuff. I built this. Now we just gotta see if it works. I'll just set it on the shelf next to the Mini Delta and be like, yep, that printer printed it. No, never turn it on. Oh man, this is sweet. All right, got our little Ethernet port right there. I got the SD card in already. It's funky that the SD card goes up there. I'm gonna get a little reader and put it like right there. But all right, I'm gonna watch the rest of the video and see how he turns it on and everything, and then first turn on, I'll turn it on with you guys. I got all excited. We gotta build the filament rack assembly. The rack, these two bars, these two holders. It's gonna take 4 screws to hold this part in, and then looks like we're gonna need this short rod. Gonna need 4 of these nuts, it looks like. And maybe 4 of these washers. I think that's all I got is 4. Let me put this. Alright, I believe that it's just gonna sit like this, but probably have a washer here and then a nut. And then maybe another washer nut on the insides and stuff. A washer and a nut on each side, like this. Yeah, see, that's the little line spool holder. And then they're giving me some type of symbol. I don't know what the heck that is. Alright, and then we're done. I guess that's indicating that we installed it, that we built the printer all the way. So yeah, they're showing the M518. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then we're gonna turn this bad boy on. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing when you got screws left over, but still got a bunch of screws left over. Let's go over here and grab the power cable. Let's do it. Told me welcome. X, Y, and Z has question marks. 3D printer ready. Let's go to info screen. Prepare. Main. Auto home. Oh no, that's a problem. It's not moving this motor. Yep, that motor ain't moving. There's something going on with that motor. Alright, printer info tune. How about we just turn it off? Well, I knew there was something wrong with this motor. I don't know. That feels real weird. It's moving both at the same time. You see this train? I wonder if I can move the axis. Control. I don't understand what all this jerk mean. Filament. Restore failsafe. Motion temperature. The only thing is I can think of is motion, and then main. Print from SD card. Move axis. Let's see here. Move 1 millimeter. That's moving the x-axis 1 millimeter. Move the y-axis 1 millimeter. Back at 0. Alright, let's try and move z-axis 1 millimeter. I don't know, YouTube. I mean, I built it, it's my fault. Alright, I gotta go. Like, share, subscribe, you guys. Peace and love. God bless. I'm gonna go on Amazon, and I'm gonna try and order another motor. My head's hurting. Alright, you guys. I'll check you guys later. Alright, here's the culprit right here. This part right here. When I took it off, it was all sprung out. It was bent to the left. That was probably my fault. So I was looking at this one. That one straight. And the motor right here works good. But this part right here is bent, so I gotta look up online and figure out what this part is. I'm squeezing it pretty tight because I heated it up. And it's aluminum. I'm thinking it's aluminum, so thinking that maybe when it cools that it'll retain its original form and won't be all sprung out like that, and then hopefully I can put it back on and then it'll work. And then also, oh, okay, that's got like room to play. Okay, that wasn't really dead center. Yeah, it still don't really look dead center. Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna try and let my head not hurt so bad. Figure it out tomorrow. Every day's a journey. Peace out. God bless.